everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to auto-reply to Facebook lead ads leads on WhatsApp for digital marketers. So I am an owner of a digital marketing agency business and I promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. Over here, whenever a new lead is going to be generated by the potential customers or clients in my business, towards the lead, I want to send a WhatsApp message. And doing that manually is a very time-consuming and a hectic process as multiple leads are generated every day in my business. So in order to save time and automate this entire process, I have created a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. Yes. So now whenever a new lead is going to be generated by the potential customers or clients on Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead, a WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. I am managing my WhatsApp conversations in my business using Pabbly Chat Flow. So now if you want to learn the entire process of how you can connect Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Chat Flow step by step, for that let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to auto-reply to Facebook lead ads lead on WhatsApp for digital marketers. So as an owner of a digital marketing business, staying connected with leads instantly helps me convert more prospects into clients. I use Facebook lead ads to run targeted campaigns and capture high quality leads directly from Facebook. I use WhatsApp to communicate with my leads directly whenever I receive a new lead. Using Pabbly Connect, I have created a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So now whenever a new lead is going to be generated by the potential customers or clients using Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead, a WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded directly via Pabbly Chat Flow. This helps me maintain quick communication, build trust, and increase the chances of converting leads without any manual efforts. And I'm going to create this amazing automation between these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this automation works in real time. I'm going to generate a test lead with the help of Facebook lead ads, and after that, I'm going to check whether automatically I receive a WhatsApp message on my number. So first, let us generate a test lead. Now for generating the test lead, we are going to use Meta's lead ads testing tool, using which we can generate the test lead for our Facebook lead ads. Firstly, we have to select the page. For the page, I am promoting my Facebook lead ads with the help of the page that I've created in the name of Digital Dynamics. So this is the page. I'm going to select it from here. It is asking for us to select the form with the help of which form are we generating our leads. So for the form, I have created a form in the name of Digital Dynamics. I'm going to select this form right over here. After selecting the page and the form, we have to click on this preview form button right here. This is the form that I've created using which I'm collecting my leads data. Firstly, it is asking for my lead's first name. So let's suppose for the first name of my lead, I'm going to write it as test. For the last name of my lead, I'm going to write it as lead. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as testlead@pabblytudes.com. Okay, this is the email address. And for the phone number, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number right here. After filling in all the details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. It says thanks, you're all set. This means now the test lead is successfully generated. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my WhatsApp and then I'm going to check whether I have received a new WhatsApp message for the lead that I've generated right now or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and you can see right over here on my WhatsApp, I have received a message. Hi test lead, thank you for showing interest in our digital marketing services. We specialize in helping businesses grow online and result-driven strategies. You can see this was the name of the test lead that we have generated, and I have received this message from this digital marketing agency right over here as soon as I have generated the test lead. So this is how this amazing automation is going to work, and we are going to create this amazing automation using Pabbly Connect. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. After browsing the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you, on which you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to use Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you, and now in order to create a new automation, we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right here. Firstly, it is asking for the workflow name, which is going to be Auto Reply to Facebook Lead Ads Leads on WhatsApp for Digital Marketers. So this is the name of my workflow. For the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select this workflows folder. And then I'm going to click on this create button in order to create a new workflow. A workflow is then going to be created in front of you, and you can see that there are two windows in front of you. One is the trigger window, other is the action window. So what is trigger and action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first, in which from my trigger application, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select it as Facebook lead ads. As whenever by the potential customers or clients, a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook lead ads, automatically the trigger should capture the response of that. That is why my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and the trigger event is new lead instant. After selecting the trigger application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection. Then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button right over here. This window is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for me to continue with this Facebook account. Yes, I want to continue with this Facebook account. So I'm going to click on this continue button right over here. And again, I'm going to click on this continue button as well. And as soon as I'm going to do that, within few seconds, the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully going to be authorized. So now as the connection is successfully done, firstly, it is asking for me to select the page with the help of which I am promoting my Facebook lead ads. So this is the Facebook page that I've created in the name of Digital Dynamics, and using this page, I'm promoting my Facebook lead ads. So for the page over here in my workflow, I'm going to select this same page right here, that is Digital Dynamics. Then it is asking for me to select the lead gen form, with the help of which form are we collecting our leads data. I have created a form in the name of Digital Dynamics form, with the help of which I am collecting my leads data, and this is my live form. So I have selected the form right over here. After that, I want a simple response over here in my trigger. So I'm going to toggle the simple response button on and click on this save and send test request button right here. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead using Facebook lead ads. And after that, I'm going to check whether automatically the trigger over here captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. And I've already told you I'm going to generate the lead with the help of Meta's leads ad testing tool. With the help of this tool, we are going to generate the test lead. Firstly, it is asking for me to select the page right over here. So I'm going to select the page from this drop down as Digital Dynamics. Okay, I'm going to select it as Digital Dynamics. And for the forms, I'm going to select Digital Dynamics form, because with the help of this form, I'm going to generate the test lead. Now previously, as I started this video right over here, I have already created one lead with the help of this form. In the note, it says you can create one lead per form. You need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. As I've already created a lead with the help of this form right over here, we have to delete this existing lead in order to create a new one. For that, delete the lead from here. You can see it says your lead has been deleted. Now refresh this page from here. It is mandatory to first delete the lead and refresh the page in order to create a new lead. Okay, so again, I'm going to select the page and the form right over here. After selecting the page and the form, I'm going to click on this preview form button. After selecting over here the page and the form, you can see as I've clicked on preview form, it is asking for my leads data right over here. Firstly, it is asking for my leads first name. So let's suppose for the first name over here, I'm going to write it as demo. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as lead. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as demolead@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number over here, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. It says thanks, you're all set. So now the test lead is generated with the help of Meta's lead ads testing tool, I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down right over here, and you can see the response of the test lead being generated has been captured in my trigger. First name demo, last name lead, email demolead@pabblytudes.com with a dummy mobile number and all the other details. So as now the response has been captured over here in my trigger, this means that Facebook lead ads is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is now been done. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. Now, as soon as a new lead has been generated, towards this lead, I want to send a WhatsApp message, and I'm sending WhatsApp message towards my lead with the help of Pabbly Chartflow. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chartflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chartflow. After browsing the website, Pabbly Chartflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On again, you will find two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, directly sign in. But if you're a new user, you will get 100 free credit points to start your Pabbly Chartflow account. I'm going to sign into my account right over here, and again, then you're going to be forwarded towards the All Pabbly Apps window. And as I want to access Pabbly Chartflow, so I'm going to click on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chartflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. What is Pabbly Chartflow? It is a tool that helps businesses to send WhatsApp message and manage WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. In order to set up your Pabbly Chartflow account, you need to add your WhatsApp number from here, and you will find two different methods: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn about each of these methods briefly step by step, you can find the tutorials in the description box below to set up your account. Okay. In Pabbly Chartflow, you will find multiple features: inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, under which we have multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chartflow in brief, you can check out all the videos in the description box below. Now what we're going to do is, towards this lead, we will send a WhatsApp message. For that, we're going to set up our action step, in which from action application, I'm going to select over here as Pabbly Chartflow. An action event over here is going to be send template message, and then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, and then it is asking for the token. To have the token, log into your Pabbly Chartflow account. From the panel, go to settings and API and webhook section right over here. This is the API key. I'm going to generate this token from here. I'm going to copy this generated token and paste it over here in this token field, and click on this save button right here. As I've done that, Pabbly Chartflow is connected to Pabbly Connect. After connecting, firstly, it is asking for me to select the recipient mobile number. To which mobile number are we sending the WhatsApp message? Now, for the data of this field, I'm going to map the data, which is inserting data from the previous step. So I'm going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. How it works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, the previous step is going to appear in front of you. As I'm going to click on it, the response that was captured in our previous step is going to appear in front of you, in which you have received our lead's mobile number. And towards this number, I want to send a WhatsApp message. So I'm going to select the data of this mobile number from my previous response. As now I've selected the data from my previous response, this data has now been mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. But you can see in this mobile number, we have received a country code but with a plus sign in front of it. In the help desk, it says that we have to enter the number with the country code but without the plus sign. So now we have to remove this plus sign from here. So I'm going to remove the number. So now to remove the number over here from the recipient mobile number, I'm going to add an action step before Pabbly Chartflow step. And for my action application, I'm going to select it as text formatter by Pabbly. Action event is going to be split text, and then I'm going to click on this connect button. For the text to split, I'm going to map the data of this mobile number right over here. As I want to separate the plus sign, so for the separator, I'm going to write it as plus. For the segment index, I'm going to select it as second because I want the text after this plus sign right over here. That is why the segment index is going to be second. And then I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. I have received the mobile number but without the plus sign now. And now I'm going to map this number right over here in my Pabbly Chartflow step right here. Okay, because this is the edited number right here. After that, it is asking for the template name. So now I want to tell you one thing. I am sending WhatsApp message towards all my leads with the help of the template that I've created in my Pabbly Chartflow account. So this is the template I've created, new lead welcome message. And using the template, I want to welcome all my leads. Okay. You can see this is the message that I've written. Hi, thank you for showing interest in our digital marketing services. We specialize in helping business grow online and result-driven strategies. One of our experts will reach out to you shortly. Meanwhile, feel free to reply here if you have any questions or want to get started today. Visit the website. This is the number, Digital Dynamics team. Okay. So this is a template that I've created, and in this template next to hi, I've added this variable right over here. What is this variable? You can see in front of the value and in the end of the value, I've added two curly brackets. This makes this a variable right over here. In place of the variable, I want to add my lead's name to make it more personalized message. That is why I've added this variable right over here. And using this template only, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message, and that is why we're going to select over here the template template name, and that is why I've selected our action event over here as send template message as well. For the template name, I'm going to select it as new lead welcome message right over here as my template. So this is the template that I've created right here. Next, it is asking for the header type. I do not have any specific header type, so I'm going to simply select it as text right here. I do not require any of these fields. Media URL, file name, copy offer code. I do not require any of these fields, so I'm going to simply skip all the part right over here, okay? And lastly, it says enter the body parameter. This is the variable one that I've created over here in this template. You can see right over here. That is the lead's name. So what I'm going to do is, in place of this variable one, I'm going to map the data, the lead's name over here in this field, okay? First name space the last name, okay? So as now I've done that, I've filled in all the required details that I had. Now we have to simply click on this save and send test request button. But I want to tell you one thing. Over here, in place of this recipient mobile number, I have added a dummy mobile number right here as I have generated a test lead. So WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded towards this dummy number right here. So in place of this recipient mobile number, the dummy number, I am going to enter my mobile number for testing purposes only. I am going to test whether this workflow is successfully working or not, okay? So what I'm going to do is, in place of this dummy mobile number, I'm going to enter my mobile number right here. So after adding the number right over here, I'm going to simply click on the save and send test request button right here. And as I've done that over here, I've received a response, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received a new message or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. And on my WhatsApp, you can see right over here, I have received a new message for demo lead. You can see right here. It says, thank you for showing interest in our digital marketing services. You can see right over here, this is the exact template that we have created using Pabbly Chatflow has been forwarded to me as a WhatsApp message. So as now the WhatsApp message has been forwarded successfully, this means that we have successfully connected Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Chatflow. So now to sum up till now, what we have done, the trigger is Facebook lead ads new lead instant. As now, whenever by the potential customers or clients, a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook lead ads, the trigger is going to capture the response of that. And using Pabbly Chatflow send template message towards the lead, instantly a WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded with their name that will make it more personalized. And in this manner, I have created this amazing connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Chatflow without need of any coding and programming skills. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.